Yo, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you how to export any animation from After Effects with a transparent background plus a glow on it and get the smallest file size possible. If you are new here, make sure to check out my channel and leave a like after this video, if I could help you. Before we start into the video, I want to show you a trick how to get transparent areas anywhere you like, from custom shapes. For that I made 4 black rectangles, put them on the sides and gave them a blur effect. Now you have to go to the mode section and change from normal to silhouette alpha. Make sure you have the layers that you make transparent on top of everything else. Now let's get to the actual part of the video. Go to File, Export and add to Adobe Media Encoder. After opening the render queue, click on Quicktime. For some reason the language of my After Effects is German, but I will change it in the next videos. For the format here you leave QuickTime. But here you have to change the preset to Apple ProRes 4444 with alpha. Okay, let's go through the settings. If you want better quality you can change the depth to a higher BPC. But make sure it always has plus alpha. Now choose your saving location. When done, click OK. Start the export by clicking the green play button in the top right corner. Don't be scared if the preview looks like this or even worse. This is not how the final will look. Now that the export is finished, I will show you how big the file right now is. In this case, it's 187 MB, which is not as big as I expected but still way too big for a graphic that should come on a website. Also, one important thing you should know, is that most basic video player will not be able to show the video, and if it shows, it would look terrible. The file that I exported right now is still gonna work in all these cases, but for streaming and for websites it can take a lot of data or resources from your PC, that's why we want it to be smaller. The next thing you have to do, is download Shutter Encoder. I have the link to it in my description. Pause the video and come back when we're done, it's really easy to install. Welcome back. Now that you have Shutter Encoder installed, choose a function. And choose VP9. And as outcome, webm. Also don't forget to choose the file that you want to convert. This will only work with files that we exported correctly from After Effects. One last important thing you have to do before finishing it up. Go to Advanced Functions and check Alpha Channels. After this you can press Start Function. I apologize again for having this in German too. When installing I clicked English but it did it in German anyways. Now we got the new file that we encoded with the help of Shutter Encoder. I will show you the difference of the file again. We went from 187 to 2 MB, which is crazy. Mentioning again that the image on the normal Windows player and most other media players like VLC, will not be shown correct. To end it up, I will show you that the 2 MB file has still good quality and also is transparent. I will add it to my current recording which I'm doing in OBS. Alright, that's it. If you watched the video until here I wanna thank you. Also, let me know in the comments what you would have done differently. I know this tutorial is not perfect, but maybe you still could learn something from me. Have a great day and please like and subscribe and like if I could help you.